You know, washing someone's feet is a humbling experience. Okay. Washing someone's feet is a humbling experience. Okay? I mean, they talk about they wash the feet of Jesus, you wash the feet of your man, you wash the feet of your friend or your sister or your brother. Because none of us is too big that we can't do that. It also shows love and respect. So today you've had an experience going into the castle dungeon. And for some people, we didn't feel anything, so that's perfectly all right. And others felt something else. But what's most important more than anything else is that you have returned to the land of your ancestors and that you have touched the places where they were, so that you have in fact reconnected with the land of our motherland. So the purpose here in this circle, one, in giving thanks to the Almighty Creator for having blessed all of us to even be here today. Because with all of the things that are going on in America, the numbers of brothers and sisters and elders that we're losing, every last one of us standing here is blessed to be here. Because it could have been one of us. So what we want to do is that we want to remember our ancestors, our families, our friends, those who've gone on before us. And I'm going to pour libations and say the libation prayer. And as we do that, I want you to call out the names of your ancestors. Raise your voices. Call them. Bring them here. Okay? So we want to start out by calling the names of your ancestors. Call them by name.
Patty Wright, Alex Patty Wright, Johnny Hurd, Dorothy Wright,
All of those ancestors' names that we have not called, but whose shoulders we stand upon, whose backs we lean upon. Ashe? Now I want you to repeat after me. I'll say when for the group. To all of our ancestors of antiquity who developed great knowledge and gave civilization to the world.